Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to delete Amazon Music account. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser, and if you signed up through Amazon, you may cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited plan at any time using the following steps. Go to your Amazon Music settings and then go to the Amazon Music Unlimited section and then select the cancel option in your subscription renewal details and then confirm the cancellation, right? Or you can use a better way by going to your Amazon official website and see the subscriptions via your Amazon platform, and from there you're gonna be able to cancel your subscriptions, whether it was Amazon Prime or Amazon Music, right? Or even Kindle, I think, right? So you can choose to pause your monthly subscriptions instead of canceling. But if your plan is eligible, the pause will become effective at the end of the billing cycle. Your subscription will resume automatically, or you can resume anytime while paused. Pausing your subscription is not available if you are on an annual plan or free trial, promotions, or plan signed up through a third party such as Apple, Google, or a mobile service device. And then lastly, confirm the cancellation. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.